Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and today I am going to discuss the sample questions which is based on your term 2 curriculum. Okay, whatever lessons you have studied in term 2. So I will discuss some questions from that, and these questions are from your book. Okay, now let's begin the session. It's little long video, so please have patience and try to understand it completely. Now, first is write each using an exponent. So as if you remember, exponent means power. So this will be 4 to the power 3 because 4 is multiplied 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Same here. It will be 3 to the power 5 because 3 is multiplied 5 times. Here it will be 15 to the power 4 because 15 is multiplied by 4 times. Here you can see 3 over 4 is multiplied by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will be power 6. Make sure that you are writing this in the bracket, okay? Because another options can be 3 to the power 6 over 4. This is wrong, okay? Because 6 power is only for 3, not taken for 4. Or you can have this as the option. This also is correct, okay? 3 to the power 6 over 4 to the power 6. This also correct. This is correct, but this is wrong. Okay. Now, same here. 1 over 3 to the power. How many times 1 over 3 is written here? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 7. Or you can write it like this also. Now, why here I am saying that this is correct? Because numerator is 1. So if you see 1 to the power 7, 1 to the power 7 means multiply 1 7 times. So it will be only 1. So in this case, this is correct. But in the fourth question, number 4 here, this is not correct. This one, it is not correct. Why? Because numerator is 3. Okay. Now the last question, number 6 is 1.625 to the power 2 because it is multiplied for 2 times only. Okay. Now next is evaluate each expression. So I think I have discussed this question many times. So just apply the BODMAS rule here or PEMDAS rule here. So 78 minus 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 means 2 times 2 4, 4 times 2 8, 8 times 2 16 divided by in the bracket 14 minus 6 will be 8 times 2. Now you see here 78 minus. Now division comes first after B and O. So this is 16 divided by 8 means 2, then multiply 2. So this is 78 minus 4 and then 78 minus 4 is 74. Okay. Now this is the same type of question. Let's finish it quickly. 9 plus 7 multiply 15 plus 3 because it is written in the bracket. So it will be taken first. So 15 plus 3 18 divided by 3 to the power 2 is 9. Now 9 plus, now you can see here, you can multiply 7 and 18 or you can 18 divide by 9 and then multiply by 7. So I guess if you divide 18 by 9, then numbers will be smaller and it will be easy for you to calculate. So 18 divided by 9 is 2. So this is 9 plus 7 times 2 14 and 14 plus 9 is 23. Okay. Now for this it is 13 plus 4 to the power 3 means 64. Why? Because 4 to the power 3 means 4 multiply 4 multiply 4 divided by 2 times 5 minus 17. So it is 13 plus 64 divided by 2, it is 32 multiply 5 minus 17. So it is 13 plus 32 divided by 32 multiplied by 5. So 5 times 2 10, 5 times 3 15 and 1 16 minus 17. So just calculate this. 13 plus 160, it is 173 minus 17. So I think it will be 156. Just check the calculation. Okay. Now 4 plus 6 to the power 2 is 36. And here you see what I told you. If you have a division and after that if you have a fraction, then the division will be converted into multiplication and fraction will be flipped. Means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. And then times 3. So this is 4 plus 36 multiplied by 4 is 144. Denominator is 1, so leave it, times 3. This is 4 plus 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 4 is 12 and 1 13. 3 times 1 3 and 1 4. 432 plus 4 is 436. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is 12 plus 2 to the power 3 means 8, because 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 3 times. Again we have fraction after division, so make it in multiplication and write a reverse of 2 over 3 or flip the number. Okay. Now this is 12 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied 3 is 12 minus 2. 12 plus 12, 24 minus 2. 24 minus 2 is 22 is the answer. Okay. Now number 9 is, this is 36 divided by 3 to the power 2 means 9. Again we have fraction after division, so make it multiply and it will become 4 over 3 minus 2.4. Okay. Here we'll have to deal with 2.4 means decimal number, so be careful. Now 36 divided by, see, 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 3 multiply 4 is 12 minus 2.4. Now 36 divided by 12, it is 3 minus 2.4, and 3 minus 2.4 is 0.6. This will be the answer. Okay. Now next is, in this question we have to find terms, like terms, coefficient and constants. Terms means, if you remember what I told you for terms, in between any 2 plus or minus sign there will be a term. So here if you see, 4e is one term, 7e is the second term, 5 is the third term and 2e is the fourth term. Okay. Why? Because we have plus here, then before that it will be a term. Okay. So compulsorily for terms you will see plus or minus, you will not see multiply and divide. Okay. Now like terms, what I told you for the like terms? Like terms I told you with the same variable and same power. So 4e, 7e and 2e, they are like terms because they have same variable e. Coefficient, coefficient means the number which is multiplied with the variable, so they are coefficients also. Okay, they are coefficients also. 4, because 4 is multiplied by e, 7 is multiplied by e and 2 is also multiplied by e. Constant, constant term means the number which is not written with the variable. So 5 is not written with the variable, so this is constant term. Okay. Now same for this also, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 terms. 5a and 6a are the like terms and they are the coefficients also. And here constants are, what are the constant terms? Constant terms are 2 and 7. Okay, because they are written without variable. Here 4y and y are the like terms. 4 is the coefficient, 1 is the coefficient. Why? Because here with y we don't have any number, so it will be taken as 1, and this 4 and this 3 are the constant terms. Okay. Now let's deal with some word problems. For each verbal phrase means statement, define a variable to represent the unknown quantity, then write the phrases as an algebraic expression. Okay. Now let's talk about it. 3 more pancakes than Hector ate. So I am taking H for Hector. Okay. So H more than, more means plus, and what I told you, the letter or the thing which comes after than, it comes before, and before than whatever you have, it comes after. So H plus 3. Now 12 fewer, fewer means minus than were on the first test. So I am taking t as the test for variable. So after than it is t minus, and then it will be 12. Okay. Now here 2 and 1 half times. So 2 and 1 half times the number of minutes spent on exercise times means multiply, exercise means E, I am taking the letter. So its answer will be 2 and 1 half E. Okay. Now one third the number of yards. One third means 1 over 3. Number of means multiply. For yard I am taking y. So this is 1 over 3 y. Now 4 less than 7 times. 4 less means minus, 7 times means 7 multiply, Lin's age. So here I am taking L for Lin's. So it will be 4 less than. So whatever you have after than, it comes before, then minus 4. Okay. Now $2.50 more means plus than 1/4. 1/4 means 1 over 4 than the cost of the pizza. So for pizza I am taking P. So it will be 1 over 4 P more than means plus, and then 2.50. This will be the answer. Now evaluate each expression when x is equal to 3 over 4 and y is equal to 2.5. So just simply put the values here. 8x means 8 multiply x. Okay. So 8 multiply 3 over 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 2 multiply 3 is 6. Y square means 2.5 square means 2.5 multiply 2.5. So students, if you multiply 25 by 25, you get answer 625. Okay, 625. Now what about the decimal point? One decimal place here, one decimal place here, and in the multiplication I told you number of decimal places will be added. So if it is added, then one decimal place here, one here, so it will be total 2. So 1 and 2. Here it will be the decimal point. So what will be the answer? 6.25. Okay. Now here 10 divided by 2.5. So what we'll do here? See, in numerator we don't have decimal point, but in denominator we have decimal point. So what you do? For after decimal point, how many places do you have? 1. So just write 1 0 in the numerator and then cancel this decimal point from denominator. Now this become 100 divided by 25. So its answer will be 4. Now same type of question. A is 2 over 3, B is 4 over 5, C is 6. Then write in the simplest form. So it is A plus B means 4 over 5. Now you can see here denominator is not same. So you will have to take the LCM or just cross multiply it. So it will be 2 times 5 plus 4 times 3 over 3 times 5. It means it is 5 times 2, 10 plus 12 over 15. So it will be, I am writing here, 10 plus 12, 22 divided by 15. Now you can see numerator is bigger than the denominator. So what is the name of this type of fraction? Improper fraction. Okay. So you will divide it to write the answer in the mixed fraction form. So 15 times 1, 15 minus it will become 7. So what answer you are getting here? 1 and 7 from 15. Okay. Now same here, value of C is 6 minus value of B is 4 upon 5. So we don't have any denominator with 6. So write it here 1. So 6 multiply by 5 minus 4 multiply by 1 over 1 multiply by 5 means 5. I am writing here next. So 30 minus 4 over 5 means 26 over 5. Divide again because it is again improper fraction. So it will be 5 whole 1 over 5. Okay. Now the last one is B minus A means 4 over 5 minus 2 over 3. By the same method like question number 4 I did here. So this is multiply this. So 12 minus 10 over 5 times 3 is 15. So this is 12 minus 10, 2 over 15. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is same type of question, evaluate with little difficult expression, just but method is same. Okay, let's follow the BODMAS rule or PEMDAS rule here. Value of A is 4, so 3 multiply 4. Value of C is 1 over 3, so 18 multiply 1 over 3 divided by B square means 3 square. So this is 4 times 3 means 12 plus 18 divided by 3 is 6, and 6 times 1 6 divided by 3 square means 9. Now 12 plus 6, because it is in the bracket, so it will be calculated first. So 12 plus 6 is 18 divided by 9 means 2. Okay. Now A square, again put the value of A, 4 square plus 12C means 12 multiply 1 over 3 divided by 7B minus 1. Okay. Now 4 power 2 yani 4 multiply 4, so 16 plus 12 divided by 3 is 4, and 4 multiply 1 is 4 divided by 7 times 3, 21 minus 1. Now 16 plus 4, 20 divided by 21 minus 1, 20. So it will be 1, because 20 divided by 20 will be 1. Okay. The last question here, number 9, is 2 multiply B is 3, and then plus 3 multiply A means 4, another bracket C square means 1 upon 3 square. So it will be 3 multiply 2 is 6, 4 multiply 3 is 12, and then times 1 over 3 square means 1 over 9. So this is 6 plus 12, 18 times 1 over 9. 18 is up and 9 is down, so you will have to divide it. 18 divided by 9 is 2, and 2 multiply 1 is 2. This is the answer. Okay. Now next is use any method to find the greatest common factor. So greatest common factor, I am using here prime factorization method, like I told you many times. So 12 we can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and 30 we can write like 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So what will be HCF? What here common? HCF or GCF? What is common here? You see 2 is same up and down, so 2 here, and then 3 also same, so 3 also down. So 2 multiply 3 means 6 will be the HCF. My dear students, just to double check your answer, whatever answer you are getting here, 6 for example, so you just divide both the numbers by 6. So if you see, if you divide 12 by 6, you will get answer 2. If you divide 30 by 6, you will get the answer 5. So both the numbers you can divide, it means your answer is correct. Okay. Now for 4 and 16, you see 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, and 16 means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now what will be GCF? GCF will be 2 is common here, so 2. Another 2 is also common, so 2. And 2 multiply 2 is 4. Now for this, 9 is equal to 3 multiply 3, and 36 is equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. So this is HCF will be, see 2 is down but it is not up, but 3 is up and down also, so 3 here, another 3 also same to same up and down, so 3 again. So what will be the answer? 9. Okay. Same like another questions, you see 35 is equal to 5 times 7, and 63 means 3 3s are 9, 7s are 36, 63. Okay. So GCF will be, GCF is equal to, you see 5 is not common, 7 is common, 3 is not common here, so only 7. Okay. 7 will be the HCF or GCF. Now for 42, this is 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 7, 42. And for 56, it will be 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 8 times 7, 56. 7 cannot be factored because it is a prime number. So HCF will be, 2 is same, so write 2 here. Then again 7 will be same, so write 7 here. So 2 multiply 7 is 14. What about 54? 54 you can write like 2 times, it will be, will it be 2 again? Okay, I am writing 3 here, I will check. Okay, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. 18 times 3, 54. Okay, now for 81, it is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 4 times. Okay, so HCF will be 2, 2 is not common, 3 is same, another 3 also same, another 3 also same. So 3 times it is common. So write 3, 3, 3, and then it will be 27. Okay. So like this, you can see this question was little bigger because of the factorization. But compulsorily you will have to write the factors. Only then you can find the correct answer. Now, this type of question will be very easy for you. Distributive property. Distributive means this number will be multiplied inside the bracket. So 3 multiply x plus 3 multiply 8. So this is 3x plus 24. This is the answer. Now here same thing. 5 will multiply by 6 means 5 multiply 6 plus 5 will be multiplied by x. So it means 5 times 6 means 30 plus 5x. Okay. Make sure maybe in the exam this choice will not be there, but in place of this it will be written. So meaning is same, because in my another video I told you addition is commutative, means you can flip the numbers. Okay, you can change the numbers. Okay. Same for the last example here. 9 times 3 plus 9 times x means 27 plus 9x. Okay. Now, next is use the GCF to factor each numerical expression. So here you will have to take common. See, many times I told you by the factorization. Now I am doing in the shorter way. You can see 48 can be written as 16 times 3. So 16 is at both the places. So 16 will be taken common. Here nothing will be left. So you will write 1 plus 16 has gone out. So here you will write 3. Okay. Now for 35 plus 63, 35 you can write as 5 multiply 7, and 63 you can multiply by 9 multiply 7. Now you can see 7 can be taken common and it will be 5 plus 9 inside the bracket. Okay. Then 26, 26 can be written as 2 into 13 plus 39 can be written as 3 multiply by 13. So you can see 13 is same number here and here also. So it will be taken common. In bracket you will get 2 plus 3. Now here again I am telling you, they are not asking you for the answer. Okay, they are asking you to factor only. So this is the answer. You will not calculate this. Okay. Now next is use the GCF to factor. Same type of question. You see here we have x. 16 can be written as 8 multiplied by 2. So 8 can be taken common. So here it will be x only because 8 has gone out, plus and this 8 also gone out. So here you will get only 2. For this 24 plus, okay, for 24 I will break it. So it is 6 multiply 4 plus 6x. It is 6 will be taken common because it is at the both places. So 6 will be taken common. Here you will get 4 and there you will get x. Now last here 42 plus 7x. So 42 can be written as 6 multiply 7 plus 7x. Now you can see 7 number is common. So 7 will go out. So 6 plus x will be the answer. Okay. Now next is identify the solution. Till this it was of chapter 5. Okay. Now with this question chapter 5 is finished. Now we are starting chapter 6. Now this is what we have to do. Identify the solution of each equation from the specified set. I told you in my another video that whatever options are given to you, you can just plug in the values here, okay, in place of x. These are the values of x. So if I write here 5 plus 5.6, so it will be 11.6. And you see 11.6 is written in the right hand side also. It means this 5 is the correct answer. If you check with 6, sorry, I made a mistake here. 5 plus 5.6 is 10.6, but here it is 11.6. So this is not the correct answer. 5 is not the correct answer. Okay. Now if I take 6, so 6 plus 5.6, it will be 11.6. So 11.6 here and 11.6 in the right hand side also. So this option is correct. But if you put 7 here, so 7 plus 5.6 will be 12.6, which is also not correct. Okay. Now for number 2, same method for number 2 also. Put value of z as 6. So it will be 4.2 plus 6 is equal to 10.2. But here we have 11.2. So this is not the correct answer. Take 7. So 4.2 plus 7, it is equal to, it will be 11.2. So this is correct answer. So 7 is the correct answer. Now for number 3, here values of x are 23, 24 and 25. So one by one put all the values here. So if I take 23 minus 9.7, so one number is having decimal, another number is not having decimal point. So what you will do here? You just write it up and down so that we can calculate it easily. 9.7. Up also you make decimal and put here 0. Now 0 minus 7 not possible. So take 1 from here. It will become 2 and here it will become 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 2 minus 9 not possible. So take 1 from here, it will become 12, it will become 1. So 12 minus 9, 3 and then 1 here. 13.3. So luckily we got first answer same here. So it means 23 is the correct answer. Now here also 15, 16, 17 are the values for D. So let's start with 15. So 15 minus 8.4, again the same problem. 15 is not having decimal point, so make it 0.0 and 8.4. So 0 minus 4 not possible. Take 1 from here. So it will become 4. It is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 minus 8 not possible. So take 1 from here. So 14 minus 8, 6. It is 6.6, but here we are getting 8.6. So this answer is not correct. Okay. Now take 16. 16 minus 8.4. 16 minus 8.4 means same method. Okay. Let's do it and check whether this is the correct answer or no. 16.0 and 8.4. So this is, again it will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. It becomes 5 because it has given 1 to 0. 15 minus 8, 7. Here 7 minus 6, but we have 8.6. So this option is also not correct. Just to check whether, of course, 17 will be the correct answer, but just to make the double check, let's complete it. Okay. So 17 minus 8.4. So 17.0, 8.4. It will be 10 because here it is 0. So not possible with 0 minus 4. It become 10. 10 minus 4, 6. It become here 6. So 16 minus 8, 8. 8.6 here, 8.6 here also. So this 17 is the correct answer. Okay. Now let's have some word problems here. On Saturday and Sunday, Jared went running and burned a total of 647.5 calories. He burned 320 of those. Of those means from here. Calories on Saturday. So you see, you can write like this: Saturday plus, do we have Sunday? Yes. Sunday equal how much? Total is 647.5. On Saturday he burned 320. So on Sunday, let's take it as X. So this is 647.5. So just make it subtract. So X is equal to 647.5 minus 320.0. So this answer will be 5 minus 0, 5. It is just a simple subtraction. Okay. 7 minus 0, 7. Where I am writing 5.7. 4 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 3, 3. So this is the answer. 327.5 calories he burnt on Sunday. Now let's talk about this number 2. Maggie and her sister bought a gift for their mother that cost 54.75. See, 54.75 is the total cost. Okay. Now Maggie contributed $26. So Maggie for $26 and her sister I am taking as S. Okay. I am taking S for her sister. So what will be the value of S? They are asking how much money Maggie's sister contributed. So it will be 54.75 minus 26.00. So it will be 5 minus 0, 5, 7 minus 0, 7, 4 minus 6, not possible. So borrow 1 from here, it will become 4, it becomes 14. 14 minus 6, 8, and 4 minus 2, 2. So Maggie's sister contributed $28.75. Okay. Now another question number 3 is a piece of material measures 38.25 inches. Courtney cuts the pieces of material into 2 pieces. Okay. So see 1 and 2 is 38.25. One piece measures 19.5. So another, let's take it as x. So it is 38.25. Again, subtract it. So it will be x is equal to 38.25 minus 19.50. So this will be 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 5. Not possible. So take here 1, borrow here. It will become 12. 12 minus 5, 7. And then 7 minus 9. Not possible. Borrow 1 from here, it becomes 17. So 17 minus 9, 8, and 2 minus 1. So 18.75 inches will be the length of the second piece. Okay. Now let's talk about this. Number 4. On a 2-day car trip, the Robert family drove a total of 854.25. See, day 1 and day 2. Total they drove 854.25. Now, on day 1 they drove 497.75 or 75 plus day 2 I am taking as x is equal to 854.25. So what you will do here, just subtract it. Okay, 854.25 minus 497.75. Subtract it, you will get the answer. Okay. Now let's talk about this question. Solve each equation. Okay, this is the by general method I am going to do it. So you see, equation means, solve the equation means just find the value of the variable for which the left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So this will be, you see, with x we have negative 5. So make it positive 5 both sides. So 24 plus 5, 29, and then x minus 5 plus 5 cancel, it will be x only. So this is the answer. Now here it is, make it plus 7 here, plus 7 here. So z is equal to 19 plus 7, 26. Here it is dealing with the mixed fraction. Okay, so be careful. Z is equal to, you make it plus both sides. So it will be 1 and 5 over 9 plus 9 and 1 over 3. Now students, I am telling you another way to do this question quickly. Okay, see, this whole part you take it separate. So it will be 1 plus 9, but it is done only for the addition and subtraction, not for every calculation. Okay, plus 5 over 9 plus, here it is 1 over 3. So if you want to make down 3 or 9, same denominator, so just multiply denominator and numerator by 3. So it will become 3 over 9. So what answer you are getting here? 9 plus 1, 10, plus 5 plus 3, 8 over 9. So answer will be 10 whole 8 over 9. Okay. Now this here, make addition with 4.45, here also 4.45. So what answer you will get here? We don't have two places here, so make it 0. 0 plus 5, 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry forward, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carried forward, 1 plus 6, 7 is equal to C. This is the answer. Now another equation is same type of equation, just make it plus 7.49 here, 7.49 here. Up number we don't have any decimal place, so make it 0. So x will be equal to, just make them plus. 0 plus 9, 9, 3 plus 4, 7, decimal point, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry forward, 1 plus 8, 9. This will be your answer. Okay. Now let's deal with some word problems of multiplication equation. Maribel and some friends went to an adventure park. The total cost of their tickets was 374. Maribel and some friends. Okay. So we don't know how many. So total will take X. Total they spent $374 for total ticket. And each person means one person ticket was $46.75. Write a multiplication equation. So total how many people went there? X. So 46.75 x is equal to 374. And then they say find how many people bought the tickets. So this is not the final answer, this is the equation only. So what answer you will get here? You will have to divide by 46.75. So x is equal to 374 divided by 46.75. Okay. Now it's a very big division, but I am sure you have learned that long division method by my another video. Okay. So you just make sure that you are doing it correctly. See here down we don't have any decimal point. Yes. So how many decimal places after this dot? We have 2 decimal places. So make 2 zeros here and cancel this decimal point. Okay. Now you can divide in a easy way. So just I am doing the division for you. I'll write the directly answer. I am sure you know the division, that long method. Okay. If you have any problem, you can write in the comment and I will tell you. So if you divide it, you will get 8 here. Okay. So it means total 8 friends went to the park. Now it takes, now number 2, it takes Samuel 1/5 hour to walk a mile. For 1 mile it takes 1/5 hours. Yesterday Samuel walked for total 1.5 hours. Write a multiplication equation. So for walking I am taking W as the variable and then equal to. Okay. So what answer you will get here? W is equal to 1/1.5 means 3/2. I think this I told you in my another video also. So W is equal to 3/2 divided by 1/5 means what I told you. If you have division and then fraction, so compulsorily you will make it in multiplication. So 3/2 multiply 5/1. So it is 15/2 and 15/2 means 7 whole 1/2. Okay. Same for this. Just I will write the equation here and you can solve. Okay. See, the distance around a lake is 2.6 miles. Means suppose this is the lake. So total distance is 2.6. If you take one cycle, make one round, then it will be 22.6 miles. Okay. Now on Saturday, dog biked a total of 18.2 miles. Write a multiplication equation that can be used to find how many times dog biked around a lake. So I am taking this as x and then equal to. So what will be the answer? It will be 18.2 divided by 22.6. So you see decimal point, one decimal point we have up and one decimal place we have down also. So you can cancel the decimal place directly. Okay. And then divide it. So after division, what you will get? I think it will be 7. Just check the calculation. Okay. Now an express delivery company charges $3.25 per pound to mail a package per pound. Yani for 1 kilo, for 1 pound it is $3.25. Georgia paid $9.75 to mail a package. So total how much money she paid? $9.75. And then write a multiplication equation that can be used to find the weight of the package. So take it as x and then equal and then divide it. Okay. By after division you will get the answer. I think answer will be 3 here because I can see if you multiply 3 with 3.25 then answer will be 9.75. Now next is solve each equation. See, we got some simple equations here to solve. X is multiplied by 6, so divided by 6 both sides. So 12 divided by 6 is 2 equal to x. So this is the answer. Here you will divide by 3 because 3 is multiplied by z. So z is equal to 15 divided by 3 means 5. Here it is negative 4.45 with the variable. So you will make it positive 4.45. So here also positive 4.45. You can see upside you have only one decimal place. So make it 0. So add them 0 plus 5, 5, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry forward, 1, 7, 8 and 4, 12, 1 carry forward, 6 and 1, 7 is equal to C. Now it is 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 means divide by 3 over 4, divide by 3 over 4. So this is Z is equal to 2 by 3, divide by 3 by 4. So again you will make it multiply and flip the fraction. It will be 4 over 3. So 2 times 4 means 8 and 3 times 3 means 9. Okay. Now here also divide by 5 by 8, divide by 5 by 8. So W will be equal to 1 over 2 divided by 5 by 8. So this is 1 over 2 multiply 8 over 5. Now you can see 8 is up and 2 is down. So we can divide it. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So what will be the answer? 4 over 5. Okay. Now here plus 7.49 plus 7.49. This is not the dot, okay. This is the full stop. Now this is x is equal to, it will be just after decimal point you have one number, so make it make it 0. So 0 plus 9, 9, 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 1 carry forward, 8 and 1, 9. This is the answer. Now another type of equations. So it is 6 is equal to j divided by 8. So multiply by 8, multiply by 8. So 6 multiply by 8 is 48 is equal to j. This is the answer. Here multiply by 7, multiply by 7. So k is equal to 7 multiply 7, 49. Here 1.3 multiply, 1.3 multiply. So this is x is equal to 1.94 multiply 1.3. So what you can do here, just you'll have to multiply these numbers. If you remember the table of 13, then it's very good for you. Okay. Now 13 times 4, 52, 5 carry forward, 13 times 9, I think it will be 117, 117 plus 5, 122, 12 carry forward, and then 13 times 1, 13, 13 and 12, 25. What about decimal point? Here you see 2 decimal places, here 1 decimal places, and in multiplication decimal places will be added. So in the answer there will be 3 decimal places. Okay. Now here multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So it will be z is equal to 2 by 3 times 4 means 8 by 3. 8 by 3 means 2 times 2 over 3. For this multiply by 8, multiply by 8. So W is equal to 1 over 2 times 8 means 8 is up, 2 is down. So you can divide, it is 4. Okay. The last question is P is equal to 5.31 times 9.2. Okay. So students, just calculate it yourself because here I am doing it without calculator. So just multiply this, okay, by the simple multiplication method. Now this is the important topic for which I made another video for inequalities and their graph. So it is b less than negative 1.5. So less than means line will go to left, and it is only less than, there is no equal to sign. So for 1.5, negative 1.5, you will make a circle like this and then it will go to this side. Okay. Now a is greater than 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 you can see here. Again we don't have equal to sign here. Okay. So what you will do? You just make a circle on 4 over 5. Greater means it will go to right side. So right here like this. Okay. Now D is greater than or equal to. So equal to means you will put the circle and it is 4.75. So you see 4.75 will be the middle point between 4.5 and 5. So this is the middle point. Okay. Just color it. Then greater means it will go to right hand side. So it makes here. Okay. The last question on this page is D is less than or equal to. So less than or equal to means complete circle, filled circle, and 2 whole 1 over 4. Where is that? It is here. After minus 2.5 and minus 3. Okay. You have another way to check this. How? 2 multiply 4 plus 1. Just make it as an improper fraction. So it is 9 over 4. And 9 over 4 means it will be, just divide. So 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 2, 8.25. Okay. So negative 2.25. Sorry, it will not be here. It will be here. This one. Because it is negative 2.25. Okay. Now color it because it is equal to and less than, so just go to left. Okay. Now, next is, which of the following are the solutions of the inequality? Again, the same type of question. These are the values of t, so just place it here. I am doing it directly, okay. If you do it 5 here, so 5 plus 7 is less than or equal to 12. So, what we get? 12 less than or equal to 12. Is this correct? Yes, because 12 is equal to, this answer is correct. Now, take it 4. 4 plus 7, it is equal to 11, and 11 is less than or equal to 12. Is it correct? Yes, this is also correct because 11 is smaller. So, 4 is also the correct answer. 5 was correct, 4 was correct. Now, take 6. 6 plus 7, it will be equal to 13. 13 is less than or equal to 12. This is wrong answer. So, 6 is not satisfying, so it is wrong. Same for this also. Take 12. So, 12 minus 4 bigger than 9. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 is bigger than 9. This is wrong. Now, take 13. 13 minus 4 greater than 9. 13 minus 4 is 9. 9 is bigger than 9. This is also wrong. 14 minus 4 bigger than 9. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 is greater than 9. This is correct. So, only 14 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, take 1 over 5 here. So, 8 multiply 1 over 5, it will be what? 8 divided by 5. So, it will be 5 ones are 5 and 6 the 30, 1.6. 1.6 is greater than or equal to 1.8. This is wrong because here it is greater than or equal to 1.8. Okay. So, this is wrong. Now, take 1 over 4. 8 multiply 1 over 4. So, it will be 8 divided by 4 means 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 1.8. This is correct because 2 is bigger number. So, this 1 over 4 is the correct answer. Now, take 1 over 3 also just to check. 8 times 1 over 3 equal to 8 over 3 means 2.66. 2.6 is bigger than 1.8. This is also correct. So, 1 over 3 is also the correct answer. Okay. Now, for this you see what you can do here. You can take the direct substitution or you can do by the general method also. So, 2.4 over n is less than 6. So, what you can do? Multiply n both sides and divide by 6 both sides. So, it will be 2.4 over 6 less than n, and 2.4 over 6 means 0.4 is less than n. So, n should be bigger than 0.4. So, you see 0.25 is not bigger than 0.4, 0.4 is not bigger than 0.4, only 0.5 is bigger than 0.4. So, this 0.5 is the correct answer. Okay. Now, with the help of all these things, chapter 6 is finished. Now, we are moving up to chapter 7. Now, they say this chapter will deal with the relationship between two variables. So, Josha has a coupon for $1.5 of his purchase at the souvenir shop. The total cost C is equal to the cost of his purchase P minus $1.5. The rule P minus $1.5. See, this is the rule, okay? It means this will help you to complete the table. So, complete the table using the rule to find the total cost if this purchase is these numbers. This is written here also, okay? See, so just this is the value of P and write it here. So, 5.67 minus 1.50. So, what will be the output? Here I have told you in another video that whatever comes inside means C is equal to P minus 1.50. So, this P is called input and C is called output, or you can say C is called dependent variable and P is called independent variable. Okay. So, this is minus, make it minus now. 7 minus 0, 7, 6 minus 5, 1 and 5 minus 1, 4. So, this is the output. Same here, 8 minus 3, 8.34 minus 1.50. So, this will be 4, 3 minus 5 not possible. So, take one borrow here. So, 13 minus 5, 8, 7 minus 1, 6. Same here also 11.97 minus 1.50. So, this is 7 minus 0, 7. Why I am writing there? 7 minus 0, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. And then 11 minus 1, 10. Okay? Like this, you can complete this table also. Here, what's the rule? Rule is C is equal to S minus 0.75. So, this is the value of S. One by one, you put this value here and then get this answer. Okay? It is like the question number 2. Now, this question is reverse. Why? Because in this question, you have output and you need to find input. Okay? So, what you will do here? See, what is the rule? Rule is C is 4.98y and you have to find y now. So, what will be y? Y will be C divided by 4.98. So, this will be, for this value of C is 14.94. Okay. So, 14.94 divided by 4.98. So, I think if you check the calculation, then it will become 3. Okay. Now, 29.88. So, this will be 29.88 divided by 4.98. So, will it be 7? I don't think so. Okay, just check it. Okay. Check with the calculation. And whatever answer you will get, it will be here only. Now, another one is 44.82 divided by 4.98. Okay. So, again you can divide it and can we get the answer easily if we divide it by 4? No, I don't think so. That 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36 and 2, 36 and 3. No, I think you will have to divide it. Okay, just divide it. Or if you want me to get the answer for you, then I can do it. Just give me 1 minute. I'll do it for you. So 29.88 divided by 4.98. Its answer will be 6. The second answer will be 6. And the another one is 44.82 divided by 4.98. So its answer will be 9. Okay. Now, here the same type of question. Again, you have output here. So, C is equal to, rule is 9.50 P. So, if you have to find P, then P will be C over 9.50. So, divide all these numbers by C, okay, by 9.50. So, means its answer will be, first answer will be 19 divided by 9.50, then 28.50 divided by 9.50, like this you can complete this question. Now, this question is, the table shows the total cost C of buying T movie tickets. Write an equation to represent the relationship between C and T. Now, you have to find the relation. So, first you see C here and T here, okay, because C is the output and T is the input. Now, you can see whatever value of T you have here, it is multiply by 7, 2 multiply by 7, 3 multiply by 7, 4 multiplied by 7. So, what is the rule here? Rule is C is equal to 7 times T. This is the answer. Students, remember, in the choice they will give you this option also, T is equal to 7C. Don't be confused, okay? You just check with the answer, check with the table also. What is dependent, what is independent, or what value it is showing there. Now, same here you see, they say number of pencils, P is the output and B boxes is the input. So, it is 12 times. 1 multiply 12, 12, 2 multiply 12, 24, 3 multiply 12, 36 and 4 multiply 12, 48. So, what is the rule? Rule is P is equal to 12B. Okay. Now, next is, the table shows the total cost of bowling any number of games and renting bowling shoes. Write a two-step equation to represent the total cost C for the bowling G games. Okay. Now, this one is easy for you. How you will understand this? That I'll tell you. For that you can take any two numbers. Okay, see, if you make it minus, it will be 4, here it will be 4, here also it will be 4, because if you make it here minus 1, so 1 and 1 here also. Okay, so it means 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. And what simple canon I have told you before also, y is equal to ax plus b. This is the simple rule. Okay, so here C is the output, A, G is the number of games plus B. Now, what you are getting with the division, this is the value of A. Okay, this is the value of A. So, C is equal to 4 and then G. Now, if you take the value of G as 1, so 4 multiply 1, 4, but here first number is 6. So, make it plus 2 here to get the answer. Same for here, you see, C is equal to AH plus B. Why I have taken H? Because it is written here. Okay. Now, you see, just make it subtract. So, 27 minus 16, 11, 38 minus 27, 11, 49 minus 38, 11. Here also if you subtract, it is 1, 1, 1. So, 11 divided by 1 is 11. So, this is the value of A. So, C is equal to 11 H plus. Now, take the value of H as 1. So, 11 times 1, 11, but the first number is 16. So, 5 is less, so make 5 here. Okay. Now, this is the open response. The table shows the total cost of belonging to a fitness center based on the number of month and one-time registration fees. One-time registration fees means the number what I write at last plus B. This is the registration or one-time payment. Write a two-step equation to solve to represent the total cost. So, you see, C is equal to, what is the rule I told you? AM plus B. Here B is the one-time registration fee. Okay. Now, you see, subtract it. 40 minus 25, how much? 15. 55 minus 40, 15. 70 minus 55, 15. And here if you subtract, here you will get 1. Okay. So, value of A will be 15 divided by 1 means 15. So, here you can write C is equal to 15 M plus, how you will get the value of B? Just put value of A as 1, M as 1. So, 15 times 1, 15, but the first number is 25. So, 10 is less. So, make here 10. Okay. Now, this is the important thing for your exam. This for the graph, you will have to be very careful for this. The equation y P is equal to 144, B represents the number of pencils P in box B. Graph the relationship. What I told you for this, just take two numbers for B and then find two numbers for P. So, here I am taking B as 0, then P will be 144 multiply 0 means 0. So, what will be the point? First point is 0, 0. So, 0, 0 is this point. Now, another number I am taking 1. So, 144 multiply 1 is 144. So, what will be the point? 1 is 1 and 144. Okay. Just I think I wrote it opposite. This is B and this is P. Okay. This is P here and this is B. Okay. So, if you take value of B as 1, then you will get this type of points. So, 1 and 144. So, 144, well, it will go here. Okay. Now, so just join it by the line. Oh, where did this line is going? Just join with the line, okay, because I am not using the proper point here. So, just let me try to join this. Okay, join it with the line only, not with the curve or any other thing. Okay, one point is here, one point is here. Just join it by the line. Okay, like this. Now, for this also you can do the same thing. You can make two variable equation here. So, they say C is equal to 2B plus 6. Now you can see on x-axis you have b, that is independent variable. On y-axis you have c, that is dependent variable. So just take some values for b. I am taking b as 0. So what will be c? C will be 2 times 0. 0, 0 plus 6, 6. So point will be 0, 6 here. Okay. And another point you will take, I am taking b as 1. So c will be equal to 1 times 2, 2, 2 plus 6, 8. So 1, 8, this point. Okay. Just join this line like this. Okay. This will be your answer. Now next is, the graph shows the total cost C of buying one large bucket of popcorn and D large drinks. So popcorn is fixed, that is 1. Okay. Write an equation from the graph that could be used to find the total cost C if you buy one large bucket of popcorn. Okay. Now, my dear students, see here they have drawn the dotted line here. When you will go to the bigger classes, then you will see there is a specific meaning of the dotted line. Okay. But here I am taking it as a proper line. So, let's check the points here. Now, what I told you, the formula, that formula is C is equal to AD plus B. Okay. C is equal to AD plus B. Now, how you will find the value of B? It's very easy. B is the value on y-axis where it cut for the 0. Okay, you see? That is the value of B, this one. So, what is here? 8. So, value of B is 8. Now, how you will find the value of A? Value of A will be easily to find. For this, you see, for 1 it is 12. So, you make 12 minus 8. So, it is 4. So, this is the value of A. So, 4D plus 8 is equal to C. This is the equation. Okay. In the same way, you can write the equation for this also. Now, let's talk about this. A school sells ticket to their school play through an online ticket company. Each ticket costs $8 and company charges 2.50 the processing fee. Write the relationship. Processing fees means, I told you this will be the extra cost, and each ticket is 8. So, it will be what the relationship you will have. Do they say any variable? Yes. Total cost is C and number of tickets is T. So, this will be C is equal to price for one ticket is 8, total number of tickets T, processing fee 2.50. Now, how you will make the table for this? For value of T as 1. So, T is 1 means 1 multiply 8 plus 2.50. So, it will be 10.50. Okay. This for T is 2. So, 2 multiply 8, 16, 16 plus 2.50, 18.50. Then for 3, 3 multiply 8, 24, 24 plus 2.50, 26.50. 4 multiply 8, 32, 32 plus 2.50, 34.50. Now you can make the points here and then draw the graph. Okay. See, for 1 it is almost 10.50. So 10.5 where it will go? Between 8 and 12. 10 and then after little upper side. Okay. 1 point here. For 2 is it 18.5. So 18 means after 16 somewhere here. Then join it with the line like this. Okay. If it is a free response question in your exam, then make sure that you are carrying the scale also, ruler, okay, so that you can draw the proper line. Now, this is the open response again. The table shows the earning for each pie sold at the 6th grade bake sale. Represent the relationship between the number of pies sold P. See, this is, you can see, multiply by 6, multiply by 6, multiply by 6. Yes. So, E is equal to 6 times P, means E is equal to 6P is the answer. Okay. Now, Zari is comparing the cost of having cupcakes delivered from two different bakeries. Betty's bakery offers free delivery and sells cupcakes by dozen. See, there are two bakery shops. One bakery of Betty's bakery. So, I'll write here Betty, and then it is offering how much? The table shows the total cost of Betty's bakery. Okay, this is the table for Betty. So, it is For one cake it is 24, for two it is 48. So how much? Just multiply by 24, multiply by 24, 24. Okay. So this is C is equal to 24 times D. Is there any delivery charges also? The sweet shoppy, I don't think so. Sweet shoppy is taking C is equal to 18D plus 20. Okay. Now sweet shoppy is charging $20 for delivery and 18 per dozen. So it is written for this equation. Okay. Now you see, if you want to spend 110 dirham, $110 means this is the value of C cost. So if you have $110 here, so how many cupcakes you can buy? And if you have $110 here, so how many cupcakes you can buy? Let's check it. So D is equal to 110 over 24. Okay. So this is, it will be almost, because it is less than 5. Because 24 multiply 5 will be 120, but here it is 110. So it is less than 5 cookies, less than 5 cupcakes. Okay. Now here what you will do, 18D is equal to 110 minus 20 means 90. So D is equal to 90 over 18 means 5. Here you can buy 5 cookies, but here you can buy 4 cookies or less than 5. Okay. So where you will go? Sweet shoppy is the better option to buy. Okay. This is the explanation, what they write here, explain. Now, my dear students, hope you understand all the questions, though it was little, I know I make it little in hurry because I need to cover so many questions. Okay. So see the videos again and again and completely see the complete videos to understand the questions. Okay. And if you like this video, if you think that it will help you in your knowledge, then please share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay. Thank you and have a nice time.